Good day. Good day everyone. Today we'll be talking about the microscope. Lok lobgong. Good day everyone. Today we'll be talking about the parts and functions of a microscope. So before that, let me talk to you about what is a microscope. So basically microscope is an instrument which you can use in order to magnify a certain object 100 times. So if you want to see an object that is very small to make it big, so you will use a microscope. So with the help of my magic wand, I will teach you what is the parts and functions of a microscope. So let me find my magic wand.
12 seconds later.
Here it is. So magic. Okay, let's start. So the first is the eyepiece or the ocular. It is where you will observe in the microscope. So a lens is located here for you to be able to magnify the object. Next is the body tube. It holds the eyepiece or the ocular. Next is the coarse adjustment knob. So it adjusts the, sorry for the noise because it is raining outside. Next is the coarse adjustment knob. So it adjusts the body tube. It makes it go up and down in order for you to focus the object you are observing. So next is the fine adjustment. So it is just like the coarse adjustment, but the movement is very fine. That's why it's called fine. That's why it's called fine. So it is used to make the specimen very detailed. Next is the objectives. So this is a very important part of the microscope because it holds the lens for magnification. So this 40 and 100 are the common magnification of a microscope. Next is the revolving nose piece. So it is where the objectives are located. So you can turn it for you to be able to choose what objectives you are using. Next is the arm. So it connects the stage and the body tube. So it is also for the structure of the microscope. Next is the stage clip. So the stage clip holds the name that it holds the glass. So the stage clip holds the glass slide where the specimen will be put. So the stage clip holds it in place, so you don't have any problem. There are other stage clip where you can move it, so you will be able to manipulate the specimen, so you will be able to see it very fast. So next is the inclination joint. So I think this is inclination joint. Yeah, it's inclination joint. So it is part of a microscope where the arm is located, so you can incline it, so you can adjust for you to be more comfortable in observing the specimen. Next is the, where are we now? Diaphragm. So diaphragm is a part of a microscope where it controls the amount of light that can enter, that can pass through this, the circle, controls the amount of light that can pass through that circle for you to see the specimen more clearly. Next is the base. So the base is just the foundation of the microscope. Foundation. Next is the mirror. So it reflects the light, because this kind of microscope has do not have its own light, so it depends on a light source. So it needs this mirror for it to be reflected back to this stage. So without the light, you cannot see the specimen. Yeah. Next is the no next. So that is all the parts of a compound microscope. Yeah, this is a compound microscope. There, it, there are a lot of types of microscope. Electron microscope, light microscope, compound microscope. So this is the compound microscope. So that's all. Thank you.